And what's cracking, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha. This is going to be a quick update on Pepe. Now, we actually covered Pepe 3 weeks ago, and I drew out an entire bullish cascading pattern play to you guys, telling y'all to watch this pattern unfold. The title of that video was Here's How Pepe Gets to All-Time High, and well, we're currently at all-time high. Also, quick heads up, Sean is going to be doing more live streams. He's currently on stream right now, so that's awesome. But yeah, make sure to sub to the channel and make sure you're catching all the live streams. Lots of wisdom nuggets, more importantly, lots of good trade opportunities out there. Now, this was the bullish cascading pattern on Pepe. We had the falling wedge, but within the falling wedge, there was another bullish head and shoulders pattern right here, left head, and then right shoulder, with this right here being the neckline. And this right here was the official break of the head and shoulders pattern. Now, if we go ahead, take the measured move and plot it on the break, where is this going to take Pepe up to? It's going to take Pepe all the way up to 2559, the measured move to which we have already hit. Considering that, hey, Pepe is currently in blue sky breakout, all-time high, do we buy in right here, or can we actually wait on a pullback opportunity? Well, to get a good gauge on that, guys, get into the Mango dashboard. And can we just take a minute to appreciate one thing here? Pepe's trading volume has outperformed that of Ethereum's as well as Dogecoin's. It's only second to Bitcoin right now. It's literally ranked 2 on the list. That's insane. Now, say you did not hear about Pepe from anyone on crypto Twitter or on YouTube or anywhere else. You were just looking at the dashboard and you had your alert set in on Pepe right here. You probably got an email notification telling you that, hey, Pepe has now officially switched long. Now's the time to be looking at the chart and gunning for the next trade setup. If you even did that, at the minimum, you're up 74% on the trade on the 2-day time frame. And if you caught the trade on the daily or the 4-hour time frame, you're up 2x on that trade. But now, question is, Krisha, can we actually see a pullback on Pepe here? Does the dashboard give us that information? And yes, it does. Volatility right here. Look towards the volatility. Every time volatility expands to these high red numbers, that's when I look for a potential pullback opportunity. Okay, volatility high equals, hey, the bulls might be in a zone of exhaustion. And when they get exhausted, that's when we can see those pullbacks on the chart. So volatility right now telling us that, hey, this is a good time to be gunning for that pullback. Now, before I get into the chart and highlight the pullback opportunity for you guys, I want to draw everyone's attention to the premium video section right here. I did upload a brand new trade setup under the premium video section. The trade that I just found today, I believe, has a potential of a 60% swing to the upside. So definitely go ahead and check it out. And by the way, for those of you looking to actually put on spot and leverage positions, check out this very, very generous campaign that BitUnix is running right now. You're essentially getting 150 USDT for free for a $200 deposit. Yeah, you don't see this too often, so when you do see it, take advantage of it. I'll be linking the campaign in the description below. Now, I actually have this system based on momentum and volume that helps me forecast targets when an asset reaches blue sky breakout, like Pepe has done right now. Now, the one such target that I've found is this, at around 2396, and you can see that this is where price is currently getting rejected off of. In fact, if I take you on over to the daily time frame, check this out. This is where we're actually seeing a sell-off. There's a lot of sell pressure coming in right here. Now, I will only be looking for the next move to the upside on Pepe as soon as we can actually clear out that region of resistance. For those of you who want to take note of it, please go ahead and do so. So where does the pullback opportunity going to come in at? Well, I'm going to first look towards the time frame that the trend is currently being established on, which in my opinion right now is the 4-hour time frame. With that, I'm going to go ahead and switch on the lifeline indicator. Now, the lifeline indicator is a 360 indicator. If the candles are green, it's telling you that, hey, this asset has a bullish bias. The bulls have taken over. If the candles are colored red, then the bears have taken over. Right now, what are we seeing? Green or red? It's green, aka bulls in control. The next thing that it gives you is the next bid opportunities on the chart that you ought to be gunning for if you're looking for a pullback opportunity specifically. Now, this right here is going to be the bid zone. And I quite like this bottom of the zone right here at around 1933 because it actually lines up with the Ichimoku Tenkin as well. You can see that the Tenkin is swinging in right there flat line. So if we can get a bid there, it's going to be a rather easy one to manage. And more importantly, it's very, very close to our invalidation point. What is your invalidation point? Well, your invalidation point essentially tells you when you are wrong on a trade. Oftentimes, traders always struggle with figuring out, hey, are they wrong on the trade? Should they let go of the position? They tend to make excuses for positions that are going south and that are bleeding on them, and they just end up holding it to the ground, making excuses for their bleeding positions. You do not want to do that. Now, the thing is that you can make all kinds of excuses for yourself, but now you try fighting with an unbiased indicator. You can do that. When the invalidation is broken, the invalidation is broken. That is giving you a clear signal that, hey, something different is happening on the chart, and now's the time to get out. Keeps you objective. So now you have the bid opportunity for Pepe, you got the invalidation point for Pepe as well, but what's the new target to the upside? Well, like I said, I've used my momentum tools and techniques to come up with the next target, and so can I get a drum roll, please? And here it is. The next target comes in at around 2890 all the way up to 3384. You can go ahead and take note of those numbers if you'd like. From where price is at right now to the top of that target, that's going to be a good 48% on that swing. Yeah, 48% to the upside. The volatility is really picked up on the chart. So on the next impulsive move, it is highly probable that we get a move that large to the upside. I get that navigating charts with blue sky breakouts can be very tricky as far as stop losses are concerned and take profits concerned, but don't worry, I'll be with you the rest of the way, so make sure you're hitting the sub. And if you guys want to start taking control of your trades, then definitely check out the Mango Sprouts program. Module 7 is out. This one is on price gaps. The next one drops this week, which is going to be on patterns. You can go ahead and check out what everyone's had to say so far. Lots of good stuff. And also, we're running a bull market campaign where you get 6 months of dashboard for free if you jump into the Sprouts program as well. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this update on Pepe. If you did, hit the like. I will now see you in the next one. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.